My name is Will Pettis. I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina, and this is my Can-Am X3. It's a 2020 XDS, 197 horsepower stock. We've put a bigger turbo in it, nitrous, stroker crank, pistons, rods, all that good stuff. It's making about 330, 340 to the wheels. Started out as a trail machine and did a little bit of trail riding and did some endurance races and ended up just enjoying drag racing the most out of all of them. So I guess we just took that route. Now we're stuck. The dirt drags are 330 feet and then the asphalt is the 8th mile, the 660. My fastest time on asphalt is 6.4 and on dirt we're in the low 3s. The objective is 3 flat if we can get there, but we'll see what happens. So I brought it down here with the stock ECU. You guys put a full Motec system in it, new fuel pump, new fuel filters, fixed a lot of the wiring. Big shout out to Real Street. You guys have been amazing. They worked tirelessly the past 3 days trying to put this together for me so I can get back home. Bruce Klein has built the motor. He did all the work on it. Marvin Shaw with the shocks. Maverick Metal Works, who did my frame. BC, Brian Crower, thanks for the parts. He sent me cams, lifters, all that good stuff. Running the stroker crank from Brian as well.